Welcome back to our channel. It's been a couple months. In our previous episode, we showed you some of our marina that we've been staying at and a little Key West fun. Coming up, we have a live update as to what we've been doing during the summer because we decided to dodge hurricane season. Hey everyone, we wanted to give you a quick update and let you know what we have been doing for the past few months. In August, we drove back to Virginia, left the boat in Marathon, and we just had some stuff that we had to take care of in Virginia, plus see our family. And we did do a little bit of traveling, not too much. I went back to work for a little while. It's just been kind of hectic and busy. We celebrated Christmas on Thanksgiving, and right before Thanksgiving, we had a family emergency that was completely unexpected, so that kept us here a little bit longer. We were hoping to be back in Marathon last week, but now we will get there hopefully Thursday, back to the boat. And back to our marina, back to the warm weather, because just an hour west of us, it is snowing in Richmond, Virginia. Oh my gosh. So we just been busy and taking care of some things that need to be taken care of at home in Virginia. And so hope you enjoy the video. Please give it a like. Subscribe, share, who knows. Hope you enjoy it. Stay warm. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Be safe, everyone. Our marina hosted a fishing tournament for us that live there during June and July. It ended actually on July 4th and lasted about 2 weeks. So yeah, started in June, ended July 4th. We had so much fun fishing and just being out on the water with our friends from the marina. Here we're going out near Sombrero Key Light and we'll see what we catch today.
Fish on.
This was an exciting day of fishing. We were fishing with a ballyhoo, and Brandon, our buddy, he had helped me set up my rig. I cast out, fish on. Cast out, fish on. This happened numerous times, and then I landed this fish. And needless to say, it was pretty interesting.
Oh my God.
You're not gonna let me fish?
Is that what I got?
Yeah, we got a line. He's going this way.
Unfortunately, we just cut the line on this one. I'm not trying to pull up a shark. On this day, we were headed out to the Gulf Stream with our buddy Matt It's about 25 miles out from Marathon. Fishing in the Keys is an experience I will never forget. It was so much fun, and I plan on doing more. And sometimes you can have some friends follow you back in. Here's some pictures of our fish that we have caught. Not all of them, but here are some. What an experience. And when we're not fishing, you can catch us out on the Sandbar right near Marathon. It's a quick dinghy trip from the marina out there. And now that we have a new dinghy, it takes even less time to get there. In our old dinghy, it took us about 30 minutes to get out there to the Sandbar. Now it takes us about 15 to 20 minutes. So not a bad trip. And when we get out there, there's nothing more fun than to snorkel and swim around with the fish. just right, we're able to bring Max out with us. Video. We have more videos coming your way. We just gotta get back to the boat in the warm weather. See you soon. Thanks for watching.